This tool is making people money every single day, and most people still don't know how to use it. It helps you learn faster, work smarter, and earn more. This is not the future. This is happening right now, and that tool is ChatGPT. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an advanced AI assistant created by OpenAI. It understands language, answers questions, writes content, and helps you solve problems instantly. Think of it as your personal assistant, available 24 hours a day, helping you think, create, and build. Whether you're a student, a creator, or an entrepreneur, this tool can completely change how you work. In 2026, ChatGPT has become one of the most popular tools in the world. Millions of people use it every day. Students learn faster, creators produce more content, businesses grow faster. Why? Because it saves time, increases productivity, and creates new opportunities. Let's talk about what ChatGPT can actually do. It can write blog posts, YouTube scripts, captions, emails, ads. It can generate ideas for business, videos, products. It can explain complex topics in simple words. It can help you learn faster and even summarize books. It can translate languages, improve your writing, and make everything sound more professional. It can help you build marketing strategies, write sales messages, and communicate better with customers. It can create stories, ideas, and creative concepts. It can help you organize your life, create plans, and solve problems step by step. This is not just a chatbot, this is a multi-skill assistant. Now let's talk about what really matters, making money. Right now, people are already earning using tools like ChatGPT. Some are making $50, some $100, even $500 per week, just by using AI correctly. Freelancers use it to work faster. Creators use it to post every day. Entrepreneurs use it to build and test ideas. Here are simple ways to start. You can offer content writing services. You can create YouTube videos without showing your face. You can manage social media pages. You can create and sell digital products. You can even sell prompts or offer AI consulting. The opportunity is real, but only if you take action. Here's the truth. ChatGPT is only as powerful as your prompt. Let's look at an example. A weak prompt sounds like this. Write something about money, but a strong prompt sounds like this. Write a 30-second motivational script about making money with AI for a YouTube Shorts video. Use simple English and a strong hook. See the difference? The better your instructions, the better your results. Here are 4 simple rules. Be clear, say exactly what you want. Add context. Who is it for? Where will it be used? Set the format, short or long, script or list, and refine. Ask again. Improve the result. Prompting is a skill. The better you get, the more powerful AI becomes. ChatGPT is powerful, but it's not perfect. It's fast, easy to use, and saves time. But it's not always 100% accurate. It still needs your thinking. It's a tool, and you control it. ChatGPT is not magic, it's leverage. It gives you speed, but you need direction. It gives you ideas, but you need action. The people who win in 2026 are the ones who learn how to use AI. So don't wait. Don't overthink. Start today. Learn one thing. Try one idea. Take one step, because your future depends on what you do next. If you want to learn how to make money with AI, step by step, follow this channel. In every video we create, our goal is not just to inform you, but to move you forward, because a massive transformation is already happening. The world is moving fast. Even tonight, while you sleep, new ideas are being built and new opportunities are being taken. Some people will stay the same and others will move ahead. The difference? Awareness and action. The future will be competitive, advanced, and full of opportunity. But only for those who are ready. This is your moment. You can ignore it or use it. Learn the skills. Adapt early. Ride the wave. Don't wait. Start now. Follow this channel and be part of what's coming next.